Hello friends, welcome to market update. This is Nifty weekly chart and overall the chart is looking very bullish. Why I am saying so? The logic behind this is if a resistance level is touched many times or tested many times, at some point it is going to break. So if you can see here, this 18,800 level and 18,900 level are tested again and again many times from almost last 2 years now. October 21 from here, again here, again here, again here. And if you see last 3, 4 times like this is making a higher high, then again making a higher high. So week by week, it's going consistently. Overall, the macro and the fundamentals are very strong in the market. There is no negative news. So there is no reason that all of a sudden the FII will start selling and there will be a very negative market. We can expect it to be a positive market. Okay. Now, what is going to happen in coming weeks? Let us try to understand a trend or pattern in last few months that is happening. This is again why I am very bullish for the next coming days, next 3, 4 months, and what is happening in the market. If you see after every green candle, if there is a big red candle like this, or after every green weekly candle, if there is a big red candle like this, it has been followed by another big red candle. This is something that the chart is telling you. But what is actually happening? Actually, in the market, two things are happening simultaneously. One, there is a very strong buy in the deep going on in the market. So whenever there is a consistent 2 or 3 red wicks are coming like here, like here, like here, like here, then there is a buy in the deep trend is going on in the market. And whenever there is a consistently upward movement in the market, there is a profit booking that is coming. Now, whether that profit booking of 1 week is going to follow next week, the one of the good predictor is a big red weekly candle. So here, if you can see, this is not crossed this green weekly candle, but almost crossed half of it. Next, there is a red candle. Here it is also same. Then there is a next red candle. Here also it is a next red candle. Here it is also a next red candle. Here it is also a next red candle. Here it is also a next red candle could have been, but it is not. The market never goes in the same pattern. Sometimes it goes haywire. But you can see there are multiple occasion when there is a strong red candle in a weekly chart, then there will be a red candle followed by that. And once 2 or 3 weeks continuous going red, like here, like here, so there will be a green candle that is buy in the dip. So that is what is happening. Many sometimes FII are selling, sometimes DII are selling, and sometimes both FII and DIRs are buying. So this is what is happening in the market. Now, what is going to happen here? Here, if you see, this is a very strong weekly green candle, and we are only just 2 days, but in these 2 days, the market is showing is a negative candle because the gap up opening on Monday. But today it has recovered very well. So what can happen from here? If this red candle covers more than half of this green candle or more than that, then next week there will be a very strong chance of going another red week. But if this week goes up, then the chance of market becoming green or touching the 19,000 mark is very high. Now let's go to the day chart and try to see what is happening there. So if you see the day chart, it is very clear that it is making a continuous higher high pattern. So if you see here, it is a lower low pattern till here, and then there is a continuous higher high. Some some of the days it is profit booking, but consistently it is making a move consistently. Now, if I am going to the 1 hour chart and let us say what is happening there. Now, these are the trend lines that I am consistently putting up in my videos and also in Twitter. And I'm talking about these resistance and support lines for almost 3 days now. This is another channel line today I have added to this format. So what is happening here? If you can see on a bird's eye view, there is a consistent upward movement followed by a down movement, then a up movement and down movement. So market is moving up very consistently, but it is moving up with a profit booking and buy in the deep trend. So what we were seeing in the weekly chart is happening same thing in hourly chart as well. And they are following these trend lines as well as these support lines very beautifully. You can see here also this trend line, here also, and here also. Everywhere these support lines and trend lines are followed by the market beautifully. Final analysis for the 15-minute chart. Let's see what is happening there. It is somewhat similar to the 1 hour chart. You can see here it is following the basically the support lines, and it is going up for with a profit booking pattern. Now, looking at this, what can happen tomorrow? If we analyze this thing, then there is a profit booking on 19th. Today also there was a big red candle. What has happened? If you see today's FII and DII data, almost 1900 crore has been sold by FII and almost 1900 crore has been bought by DII. But FII selling was a big red candle, solid red candle, DII. So this, if you analyze this actually by DII and FII data only, this high trend should not be so much higher. Also, so domestic or retail investors are playing a very big role. Retail HNI and investors are playing a very big role here, and the market is moving up. Now, what can happen tomorrow? As always, market can have three kind of opening: flat opening, gap up, and gap down. Now, if gap up is opened, then there will be a strong possibility that because here so much up movement has happened, and if there is a gap up opening, there is a strong possibility of this day as like this day or like this day, a possibility of profit booking. And the profit booking will again, my expectation is, will follow certain this trend lines or these support lines, and it will be like that in a flat day, I can say. If the market opens flat, possibly it will follow the trend and support lines, and we will see certain movement in the market, but it will be in a positive trend. Now, if the market opens gap down, what is going to happen? Opening of gap down possibility is there, but my personal opinion, gap down possibility is a little less today, but it may happen tomorrow. So there is nothing certain in the market. So if the market opens gap down, then we can expect some of these support line will help the market stabilize, and the market will, according to the support line, the market will try to move up. So to summarize, if I talk about so before we summarize, we will also see certain data points on this very important option market, and let us see. So if you see here, these are the 18,700 and 18,800 OI change in calls, and these are the 18,800 and 18,700 put change in calls, which means that this week the market is expecting that it will remain above 18,700, and it will remain either between 18,700 to 800 or 18,700 to 900, and market will move in the beginning, what I said, with this two combination of two playing. One is buy in the dip and second is profit booking. And market, as per last 3-4 days, if you follow very current clearly in my previous videos or also in me in Twitter, in my post, market is respecting these lines, these trend lines and these support lines very critically. Okay. So accordingly, let us see what is going to happen and how much market moves and where they take the support and resistance. So thank you for watching. If you find value in this video, please like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question, please put your question in comments. I will try to answer them. Thank you for watching.